Have you ever wanted to speak to your dog? Well, you can.
In my book, How to Speak Dog by Alexander Newman and Gary Wittleman, DVM, which is a vet sort of thing. It tells you lots of stuff, like here, it could strengthen your pup's nose. It has lots of funny stuff. So, including this could be funny because he's saying treat and he has glasses on. So anyway, it's a National Geographic book, and now I'm going to ask Grace if she would ever want to speak dog. Well, Grace, have you ever wanted to speak dog?
Yes.
Why? Because they'd be company if you're alone and only had your dog?
Yes. And also I have cousins instead of dogs.
Ah, well, did not know that. So anyway, if you ever want to learn how to decode dog language, like it says right here, you can, and it looks like Charlie wants to be famous here. I've taught her a lot. So she knows how to sit, lay, stay, come, and she really wants to get near the camera right there.